Welcome back to Building with Chad, guys. Today we're building this cool water dispenser out of Legos. The materials that you'll need are 2 normal blocks, 1 half block, 1 half block with 2 holes in it, 1 circular block, 2 spouts, 1 flat piece with a hole in it, and 1 dot. To assemble the water dispenser, take the 2 normal blocks and put them on top of each other. Then take the block with 2 holes in it and the half block, and you'll put the block with 2 holes in the front, like this, and this other block in the back. If you don't have this other block with the cool patterns, you can just use a normal block like this. Then take these 2 spouts and put them on these like this. Then you can take the circular block, put it on top, and the flat piece, put that on top too, like this. Then take the dot and just place it on top like this. Then you have your water dispenser. Yeah. Well, that's it. That's the end result of the water dispenser. And you can fill up your Lego waters like I did.